Are you wishing for a house in the country, but you need to live in the Metroplex? Well, you need to check out my newest listing, half an acre, no HOA, a dead-end street, lots of mature trees, and you're gonna wanna watch to the end to see what is in the backyard. So come check it out. Step out to this enormous oversized deck. You can feed a crowd, host a crowd. It is a fun place to be, and of course overlooks this amazing backyard and the shed, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And look what is behind me. This is one of the biggest sheds I've ever seen, and it has so much potential. Come check it out. See what you could do with it. A he shed, a she shed. How about a home office, a game room? There's electric in here, and it is so big, it's unbelievable.